Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're talking about the Marriott Bonvoy program. So this is a brand new program that Marriott developed over the past year or two, and what it is, it's a combination of the old Marriott program, the old SPG program, and the old Ritz Carlton rewards program. Everything's been combined into one program, and while there have been some negatives to this combination, there are some great positives there. I still think this is one of the best programs out there. Let's check out everything you need to know about the new Marriott Bonvoy. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise with Life Tailored, and we talk about everything that makes your life great. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and follow me on Instagram at Life Tailored. So today we are talking about the Marriott Bonvoy program. It's the new hotel mega program that resulted from the purchase of SPG by Marriott, and now we've got Marriott, Ritz Carlton, and SPG properties all under one roof. If you accrue Marriott Bonvoy points, you can stay at any of their properties. They have over 6,700 hotels globally and 30 different brands to choose from. I personally love the W. I always stay at the W Miami Beach, W Barcelona. It's a great hotel, a great brand. I love the experience, I love the vibe there, and it's part of the Marriott Bonvoy, and I'm so glad they were able to keep that in there. So the Marriott Bonvoy program, basically what they did is they took the old SPG and basically devalued it by 1/3. So before, SPG points used to be worth about 2 cents each. Right now the Marriott Bonvoy program is worth around 0.8 cents, so $1.008. So it's less than a penny each, which is a little less than 1/3 of a devaluation on that 2 cents each. So they're worth about 1.2 cents less each. The way it works is the old SPG program, for every 20,000 points you transfer out to an airline or hotel partner, you're gonna get an extra 5,000. So for every 20, you get 25. Right now, for every 60,000 you transfer from Bonvoy, you're gonna get 65,000 points. To make it a fair devaluation or make it a fair scale, they should be giving you 15,000 extra for every 60 you transfer, but they did keep all the amazing transfer partners. I'm gonna put a list of all the transfer partners, but there are over 40, and you can transfer pretty much any airline or any hotel. And what I love about this is when I'm booking my flights, I always do different itineraries or different countries and destinations, and you can't always book it all on Singapore or United or American or Delta or anything like that. Sometimes you're going to come across an airline like JAL, which you can only transfer from SPG or from the Marriott Bonvoy, or any sort of random airline like Thai Air when I was flying from Thailand to Tokyo. You're gonna come across these random airlines that you're not gonna have access to if you're just locked into American Express Ultimate Reward or Chase Ultimate Rewards or American Express Membership Rewards. Yeah, they're both called rewards, so just double checking on that. But if you're locked into either of those two programs, you're not gonna have the full access to these 40 transfer partners. That's why in my card inventory, I've always got that Marriott Bonvoy, so I get access to anything and I can fill those gaps in my itinerary, and it's a really important part of flight hacking, trip hacking. But the Marriott Bonvoy, the good thing they did do is they kept those 40 transfer partners in there. They still do give you that 5,000 point bonus, which nobody else is doing that. So thank you Marriott Bonvoy for doing that. We appreciate it. Now the Marriott Bonvoy has got two main credit cards that I was considering. There's a Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card and the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card. One's by American Express, the other is by Chase. And basically, of the two, I like the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless. So the Boundless has got an annual fee of 95 bucks, 6x points on any Marriott Bonvoy spend, and 2x for every other dollar spend. The Marriott Bonvoy Business from American Express gets those same 6x points on Marriott Bonvoy. It gets 4x on restaurants and gas stations, and 2x on all other purchases. Of the two different points categories, I don't think it's worth spending 4x points on restaurants and gas. I'd rather be getting 3x from the Chase Sapphire Reserve or the City Prestige earning 5x points. So for that extra $30 annual fee, I would go with the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card. They also do have the same sort of bonuses where you're gonna get free silver status with the Marriott Bonvoy American Express. You're gonna get an annual free night on your account anniversary, additional free night when you spend $60,000, upgrade to gold when you spend more than $35,000, and no foreign transaction fees. That's for the American Express card. The Chase card, pretty similar. Free reward night up to $35,000 after every account anniversary. Automatic silver status. Path to gold when you spend $35,000, and the 15 elite night credits per year on the Marriott Bonvoy. Those benefits are a little bit better, plus there's a lower annual spend. So of the two cards, go for the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless. I've got a link down below for both cards if you want to check them out. Add them to your catalog of cards. And also the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless is one of my top 2019 hotel credit cards. The other one is in a video review I'm going to put up here so you guys can check out what that is. But for the Bonvoy program, it's still a fantastic program. There's still a ton of different airline transfer partners. I'm going to put up a full list here so you can check everything out. But it's still a great program. It's still something you should absolutely be a part of. It's great for filling those gaps and those random flights coming up, and I hope you guys check it out. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and follow me on Instagram @LifeTailored. All right, I'll see you guys for the next one.